So when you want to know what your system state is, obviously you need to just check there. No sample in magnet, and 2 hyphens means the probe is empty, but it's in SampleJet mode. And when a sample is being loaded from the SampleJet storage ring into the magnet, into the probe, you will see that the system state will change, and it will give you some information on the front of the SampleJet as to what is going on, and it will always tell you it is busy, which means it's in motion. You also see the flashing light if the door's open. And that's while the sample is loading. And once the sample is loaded into the BST and inserted into the magnet, the system state will tell you there's a sample in magnet. When the sample's coming back out, then the reverse is true. You'll get information that the system is busy on the front. It won't tell you that there's a sample in magnet. And what will happen is the arm will first check that there is nothing in the position of that sample before the sample is taken out of the BST. In this case, it's being taken out of the shuttle, which will remain at the top of the BST. And then once the sample is returned to the same position on the storage ring as you had, as it was originally stored, then the system state will go from busy to no sample in magnet.